Ever wondered what it feels like to be on the edge of a major crypto breakthrough? Imagine this. October 9th is just around the corner, and it's set to be a monumental day for the world of MemeFi. If you're not paying attention, you might just miss the biggest game changer in crypto this year. Curious? Let's dive into why this date is so crucial. Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting updates in the crypto universe right now, the MemeFi token generation event. If you haven't heard about MemeFi yet, buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. MemeFi has announced their official listing date, October 9th. That's right, in just over a month, MemeFi will be making its grand debut, and this isn't something you want to miss out on. Now, you might be thinking, a whole month? That's a long wait. But let me tell you, this is the perfect time to get involved. If you haven't started with MemeFi yet, now's the moment to jump in. And for those of you already in the game, it's time to elevate your efforts. The MemeFi team is working tirelessly to ensure this listing is a massive success. And it's not just a single exchange. MemeFi is set to launch on several top-tier centralized exchanges. It's going to be a major event that could shake up the crypto world. But that's not all. In the weeks leading up to October 9th, expect a flood of updates. We're talking about news on those top exchanges and some exciting insights into MemeFi's back-end operations. The hype train is gaining momentum, and you definitely don't want to be left behind. Before the big day arrives, there's plenty happening. MemeFi's extreme heat season is in full swing, and it's hotter than ever. They're rolling out new features that give us a sneak peek into the post-token generation event vision. It's like getting a preview of the future, and trust me, the future looks incredibly promising. And there's more. MemeFi is introducing a public airdrop checker. This tool will let you see exactly what you're in for. All you need to do is get involved and start bonding. The process is straightforward, and the rewards could be substantial. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? No worries, I've got you covered. In the description below, you'll find my referral link. Click it to access your MemeFi dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see an avatar. Tap on it to start accumulating points. It might sound a bit quirky, but that's how you rack up points and level up. In the world of MemeFi, levels are crucial. Check out the mission section too. It's packed with tasks and campaigns designed to boost your coin allocation. Watch videos, engage on Telegram, and invite friends. The more you do, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. Here's a pro tip. Aim for levels 11 or 12 before the token generation event. Higher levels mean bigger rewards. Also, set up your Ethereum wallet as soon as possible. Click on the wallet icon, create your wallet, and make sure to write down your seed phrase. Add a small amount of ETH to it. You'll need it to claim your rewards when MemeFi hits the exchanges. For those looking to supercharge their point accumulation, consider using boosters. They'll help you destroy that avatar even faster. And if you're feeling lucky, try the spinner for a chance to win extra points and boosters. It's addictive. So there you have it. The countdown to October 9th is on. And whether you're a seasoned MemeFi pro or just getting started, now's the time to gear up. Join our Telegram group for even more MemeFi insights. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I'll be bringing more updates as we get closer to the big day, including tips on managing your gas fees. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.